Hey everyone, this is Brett with Respshop. We've had a lot of questions wondering whether or not ozone was safe for cleaning your CPAP machines. And I want to start off by saying that ozone devices for cleaning CPAP machines have not been FDA approved, but many have been FDA registered, which means they've gone through the necessary steps to make sure that the FDA is aware of them. The FDA has issued warnings about these devices, and they recommend that you follow your manufacturer's recommendations, which usually includes soap and water. The FDA warning states that exposure to ozone may worsen an existing disease or increase respiratory infection. ResMed even updated their device warranty in 2020, saying that it won't cover any device damage related to ozone or activated gases. Philips has a recall in place due to the concern that foam baffling used inside some models of CPAP machines to deaden sound may cause breathing issues if the foam degrades, and suggests that ozone cleaning can contribute to the degradation of the foam. The level of ozone usually required to kill bacteria is higher than humans can breathe. Breathing ozone can cause respiratory difficulties, trigger asthma, or worsen an existing disease such as COPD. When using an ozone cleaning device, it is essential you allow enough time for fresh air to circulate through the equipment and flush away any ozone residue. The best way to clean your CPAP equipment is by following the guidelines published by your manufacturer.